Hello everyone. So this is the example of a pre-increment and a post-increment. See, this is the most crucial topic of Java language. Most of the people are getting confusing in this topic. So let me proceed further with the simplest example. As I said you previously, this is the example of a pre-increment and this is the example of a post-increment. But see, every time value will get increased by 1. In both the cases, value will get increased by 1, but behavior is different. Okay. So what is that's why I have taken YouTube example, because when we see any video on a YouTube, whether you complete that video or not, once you play that video, directly a view count will be increased by 1. Again, if another person is going to see the same video, directly a views count will get increased by 1. Whether you complete that video or not, it doesn't matter. But what about comments? When you are typing comments, count of comments will not get increased. After completing that operation, after submitting that comment, a count of comment will get increased by 1. You got it? In a pre-increment, count is increasing directly whether you complete that task or not. It doesn't matter. But in a post-increment, count will increase after completion of task. When you are typing comment, and after typing comment also you have to submit it. After submission only, a comments count will get increased by 1. Before that, it will not get increased. Till the time, it will only consider comments count as a current value. After submission only, it will get increased. So this is the most crucial topic I am describing you in a easiest way. So let's proceed further how it works. See, what is the views as of now? See, I have just uploaded video on YouTube. Okay, so as of now I do have 0 views. But what will happen on later stage? See, as of now views are 0. Let me give you example like this. As of now, I do have 0 views. 0 views are there, right? Because I have just uploaded video. So first time I am going to print. Views. So what will be answer? First time if I print view, the first time definitely as of now also I am able to see 0 views are there, right? First time the answer will be 0. But what about next time? See, I have opened this video. One person has opened this video. So what will be a views count? A views count will get increased by 1. Right? And on later stage also, now if I go to see a views count, I want to see that how many people have seen my videos. So what will be a count of views? Because as of now one person has seen my videos. So what will be a count? 1, right? Because it got increased by 1. Directly, if someone is going to open my video, directly a count will get increased by 1. It doesn't matter they have completed that video or not. They have seen entire video or not. It doesn't matter. Once you click on a play, directly count will get increased by 1, and I will be able to see that one person has seen a video which is uploaded by me, right? So as of now, video has been seen by one person. Now let's proceed further with the next example. What is the comments? Comments is equal to 0. Comments is equal to 0. As of now, no one has commented on my video. So first time, what is the comments? No one has commented. So definitely count is 0. But what about next time? See over here, post increment is going to happen. Over here, post increment is going to happen, right? Now one person has seen my video and he wants to comment on the same, okay? But as of now, what is the current value? As of now, he is just typing the same. He hasn't submitted comment for the video. So it will take current value. Okay, what is the current value of comment? Current value of comment is 0. See, this is the post increment. It will count will get increased after completion of this operation. Okay, so my current value first, it will take current value only, and after that, if I am going to print the comments, what will be a value of the same? It will get increased by 1. Okay. See, this is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. This is the example of a pre-increment and this is the example of post-increment. A value is getting increased directly in a pre-increment. Whether you complete that task or not, it doesn't matter. But over here, a value will get increased after completion of that task. Initially, we have to consider only current value. After completion of that task, my value will get increased. Once one person will post that comment or submit that comment, a comment count will get increased by 1. See, this is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. Let me execute and compile this program. So every time when you save this program, you have to give same name as a class name. So what is the class name over here? YouTube, right? YouTube.java. We have to give this extension. YouTube.java. Let me save this program. Where I have saved this program? I have saved this program over here. Java program. See, YouTube is there. Java file is there using YouTube name. I will remove this path and write cmd. Now command prompt will be opened to compile and execute the program. Let me compile this program. Java C YouTube.java. Let me execute the program. YouTube Java space YouTube. See, I got the same output which I have written over here. First time, it will print 0, after that it will print 1, after that 1 again. In the next example of a post increment, first it will print 0, after that 0 and 1. This is the difference between a pre-increment and a post increment. In both cases, increment is going on by 1, but the behavior is different. Thank you so much.